Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a boomerang video inside Snapchat. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Player App Store, search for Snapchat, and make sure Snapchat is updated to the latest version. Once that is done, click on Open. Now, to make a boomerang video, simply you can hold down for a video like you normally would. Hold down for a video like you normally would. Let's pause that. Alright, now I've created this video and I want to make it a boomerang. So if you see here, you've got all these different options. If you look all the way down below, you've got a repeat loop button. So if you click on that, you can loop it indefinitely or loop it once. Or play once, sorry, or loop it indefinitely. So I'm going to loop it indefinitely, which means make a boomerang video. So yeah, that's it guys, how to make a boomerang video inside Snapchat. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.